Hey y'all, so come watch me do my daughter's hair. I'm not sure why, but something just made me want to record it. And it just means something to me. I don't know why. I think it's just like the moments that I cherish are so simple with me and her. Um, if you know, you know my story, and I think something about me and her relationship is a little bit different. Um, it's not like favoritism or anything like that, but it's like I'm such a girlish girl that I've always wanted a little girl, and so like now that she's here, it's just like she's growing up, and it's just like little moments like me doing her hair. I feel like she's gonna always want me to do her hair, but I mean these little like bows and stuff that's so cute, she's gonna soon outgrow them, and I just feel like little moments like this I just cherish doing her hair. Now we ain't always having good moments though, because if you're a parent and you have kids, whenever they have to sit down for more than a minute, it's a struggle, okay? But for some reason I just wanted to record me doing her hair, and so that's what I did here. And we did a really cute style, and y'all, I ended up twinning her with her brother, and they are really growing up, because guys, they did not like it at all, but they look so cute, and I'm going to include some pictures in the end. But just cherish the moments you have with your kids while they're young, and continue to let them be kids.